Drones and robots across various industries use high-performance GNSS receivers for highly accurate positioning and reliable operation where it matters. Mosaic G5 modules are the smallest GNSS receivers that deliver high-performance RTK positioning and make use of all available GNSS constellations. Drone battery life and flight time are extended thanks to the module's low weight and low power consumption. The Mosaic G5P1 is a triple-band receiver, ideal for high-volume drone applications. Mosaic G5P3 leverages quad-band GNSS technology, and all available GNSS signals for accurate positioning, with enhanced availability and robustness even in challenging environments. In dual antenna configuration, the Mosaic G5P3H module delivers GNSS heading for yaw and pitch or yaw and roll angles, in addition to high accuracy positioning. Mosaic G5P6 takes positioning reliability to the next level. It provides positioning as well as raw measurements at a high update rate, with low latency. The Mosaic X5 module is an all-in-one receiver with a high update rate. AIM Plus technology protects it from GNSS jamming and spoofing. Mosaic G5P8 ultra-compact module provides ultimate anti-jamming and anti-spoofing resilience for assured positioning and situational awareness in mission-critical applications. Inputs and outputs of this receiver are fully secured. All Mosaic receiver modules are easy to integrate and are compatible with open-source autopilots like PX4 and ArduPilot. They have low and predictable latency needed for stable and accurate control systems. Use one of Mosaic Go evaluation kits for easy testing and prototyping. Visit septentrio.com/mosaic for more information.